Interesting. On Thursday, because it was like a little tough day, then we have a throwback Thursday. And that's why, because we didn't get any, for this name in for paycheck. And that's why we don't use it anymore. Just for that now. It's all my, useless time, I guess. I'm gonna watch Scary Movie one more time for tomorrow. Probably like evening, if I want to watch this movie on the cinema. Tomorrow's gonna be like trick or treat. Get ready for tomorrow. There might be. Alright. We know what you mean. It's just like, hang on a minute, hang on. Alright, sorry. Okay. This is the nighttime where you can, just go on without it. Just be yourself.